PRC is mindful of some issues on affordability, accessibility, and availability of CPD programs. And for and PRC has already instituted several measures to address these challenges and gaps. Uh, Mr. Chair, we support the revisit of this law, but we are more on the amendment of the law. Okay, so we'd like to share to you the position of PRC and what are those proposals to address these three A's: the affordability issue, the accessibility issue, and the availability issue of CPD programs. First is that PRC is proposing that CPD is no longer mandatory requirement in the renewal of license, but it will be mandatory for updating of knowledge and competencies or titles of all registered and licensed professionals. So it's no longer, we try to disconnect the connection of the CPD in the renewal of a license. This will ease yung issue on the burden, naging burdensome siya for the professionals.
Hindi ko masyado nakuha yung later part ng sinabi mo. Instead na hindi na siya maging requirement sa
It's no longer a requirement
renewal.
when you renew license.
Tapos,
But if you want to improve your competencies, if you go for higher PQF level, like you go for PQF 6 to 7, for higher qualification standards, you need to really undergo and comply with all the CPD requirements.
okay, thank you.
Okay?
I get it.
Second.